received a few similar questions with students that have been struggling with registration. So I wanted to take you through the steps to better support you in registration this year. So my screen's going to look a little bit different because I'm in the faculty view. However, the steps to search and register for your classes will be very similar. So I want you to first log into IOL and then scroll down to the tab that says search and register. On my end, it's only going to say search. So I'm going to click on search for classes. It's going to bring me or you to a page that looks like this. What I want you to do is I want you to select the term for summer, 2021 CM for cohort summer, and then you are going to scroll down to ED for education. If you're taking a 300 level course, I want you to select 300 third year and do not enter the course number and click submit. It will then take you to a page that shows you all the available 300 level courses that are offered this summer. Whichever 300 level course I instructed you to take, there'll be a box on the left. I want you to click on that box for all the 300 level courses you're taking over the summer. And then on the bottom, it'll say okay or submit, and it will bring you to a second page that has a drop-down menu where you can select register. After you do that, you can click submit and you are registered for your summer courses. Let's repeat the steps for our fall coursework. So again, you will go back to this page. You will click search and register for classes. Scroll down to the term section, 2021 CF for cohort fall. Select ED for education, 300 level if you're taking a 300 level course, and click submit. Then all the courses that will be offered for the fall semester are on this page. You'll click a box on the left for all courses that you're taking this fall, and then you will scroll down all the way down to the bottom and click submit. If you're taking the optional portfolio, this is also where you will select that option. Then you'll click OK or submit. Another page will open up that will have drop-down menus on the left where you will click and select register. Scroll down to the bottom and click submit, and you'll be registered for your fall coursework. Let's try it one more time for the folks that are taking 400 level courses this fall. So those of you that are taking ED 418, those of you that are registering for ED 420C, the assessment with me, and for those of you that are registering for student teaching. Click the term drop-down menu, select 2020 CF for cohort fall, same steps, select ED for education, then select 400 fourth year level and click submit. Then all the courses that are available at the 400 level for fall will be shown in this section. Here's student teaching if you're registering for student teaching. So then you'll click the little box on the left, click OK or submit. It will take you again to that second page where you can use the drop-down menu to select register. Make sure you scroll down to the bottom and click submit, and you're registered for your courses. I hope this was helpful. If you do have any specific questions or you're having trouble, please reach out to me via email. I'm happy to help you or connect you with the registrar if I'm not able to help solve your problem. Best of luck in registering this semester.